Ever wondered how to achieve that perfect glowing skin using natural remedies from your kitchen pantry? Well, wonder no more. Today, we dive into a simple and effective homemade face pack using turmeric and yogurt, two natural ingredients known for their skin brightening properties. First, grab a small bowl and mix 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder with enough water to form a smooth paste. Ensure the paste is not too thick or too runny. Next, add 2 tablespoons of plain unsweetened yogurt to the turmeric paste. Stir well until you achieve a consistent and creamy texture. For those with dry skin, you might want to add 1 teaspoon of honey to the mix for an extra dose of moisturization. And if your skin leans more to the oily side, a teaspoon of lemon juice will help control that excess oil. Before application, cleanse your face with a mild cleanser. Then, using a brush or your fingers, apply the pack evenly on your face, making sure to avoid the eye area. Now, it's time to kick back and relax. Let the face pack do its magic for about 15 to 20 minutes. Once the pack is dry, dampen your face with water and gently massage in a circular motion, aiding in exfoliation. Finally, rinse off the remaining pack with lukewarm water and pat your face dry. The benefits of this face pack are numerous. Turmeric is known for its anti-inflammatory and brightening properties. Yogurt contains lactic acid that helps exfoliate and moisturize the skin. Honey provides hydration and has antibacterial properties, and lemon juice helps control excess oil and brighten the skin. Remember, a patch test is always recommended before applying any new face pack to ensure you don't have any allergic reactions. Consult with a dermatologist if you have specific skin concerns or allergies, and consistency is the key when it comes to skincare. Use this face pack 1 to 2 times a week for the best results. So there you have it, a homemade face pack that's easy to make, natural and beneficial for your skin. Thank you for tuning in to Fit Vibes Hub, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Until next time.